Here we are at Island Miniature Schnauzers with the inside dogs outside romping. There's the latest. Lasha. Hi, hen. Panting because they've been running around the house. She's the latest one to join up with the dog gang. So she has to earn her place within the inside dog gang. She has to earn it. So when they come to her, she has to bow down. Say, okay, there. See that? And that's just natural for dogs, new dogs that join up with a pack. They must be respectful. And I like to see that. Yeah, look at that. Doing really well. Really, really well. This is the second day she's been at the farm. And she's doing exceptionally well. There she goes. Yeah. There. And she sits down like, okay, no problem. That's what I like to see. And as she exercises longer with the inside dog gang, she'll start earning her ranks. There she goes. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh, there she is back. Good girl. Thanks for watching.